Good morning, everyone. Today we have something super fun lined up for you all. Our talented students have prepared a hilarious skit that's bound to make you laugh out loud. Get ready to see some playful, mischievous, lots of funny moments, and maybe even a lot of chaos, all in the spirit of celebrating Children's Day. So sit back, relax, and let the laughter begin as we present to you our Children's Day skit. Who wants to go America?
We want to go America.
Who wants to learn English?
We want to learn English.
If you want to go America and learn English, then join Jojo America English classes by a Rajnikant sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you all?
All is well, sir. All is well.
Good. Go to well. See, small girls, good girls, not sleeping. Boys, very bad boys, always sleeping and knowing. I am planning to write a book how to manage a whole class without noise. Hey, you dirty fellow, come here. Teacher enter, no notice, full insulting, no manners.
सर वो बात ये है कि
Full stop. Speak in English. This is the English class, not a local language.
सर the talk was that
Shh! You together thinking English speaking is a rice plate eating. No. Never. Not. Ille. English speaking is not a children playing. English speaking is a undertaker playing. Taj Mahal creates. Yes. Again time. Careful. Again time. This behavior then touch to my fingerprint to your face. Your cheeks. Their cheeks. Red. Understand. As I said, you busy man, you postman, you collect letter from famous student Chat Bhandar. Sit.
Sir, may I come in?
Sir boy. Oh, really? Welcome. You are late.
Sir, it is just 8:30.
Wrong. It is 8:30.1. Your time false. My time true time.
Okay, sir.
Now say, why late?
Sir, actually the bus was running. I ran after it. It ran faster. Cannot get it.
And why absent from so many days? You become Eid Moon.
No, sir, not Eid's moon. Sir, actually my eyes had come. If I come with my coming eyes, then your eyes will come and you will be not come. And if you come with your coming eyes, all eyes will come and no one will come. So, I come when my eyes go.
You will have to.
Same to same.
You tell me a lie.
No, sir, I spare, sir, I spare.
It is not I spare. It is I swear.
Yes, sir, same to same.
What a bad English. Shame. Muppy shame.
Yes, sir, same to same.
This way you will go to America.
No, sir, not this way. Airway.
Ha. Go. Okay. Now we will start our today's class. Anybody tell me what are conjunction? Yes, miss.
Yes, sir. A word used between two sentences, two clauses, and two subordinate clauses is known as conjunctions.
Good. Very good. Good girls. Studious. Boys, hopeless. Good girls, go. Hey you, undisciplined boy.
Yes, sir.
Sleeping Beauty, come here.
Yes, sir.
You tell me what is a past participle.
Past participle. Sir, just now I read it. Sir, I read it. Sir, past participle. It's coming, sir. Past participle.
You tell me what is a part of a speech.
Part of speech, sir. Part of speech. Everything I know. All the question. But I don't know the answer, sir.
It's okay. This answer you will give, I am sure. So now, question for you is what is high fun gilly 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 gilly?
Sir. Answer gilly. Go to the Elfie mountain.
Oh. I myself don't know what I asked and you are giving me the answer of it. So intelligent.
Sir, but
Go. Yes, Mr. Priyanshu. You tell me what is the past participle.
Sir, what to say, where to say, when to say.
You say whether you know or not. Don't make a dosa here.
I think past participle means participation of great leaders in the fields of struggle in the past, like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru.
Good. Very, very good. The answer is 100% completely wrong. This way you will go to America. Go. Yes, Miss Kaur. Come.
Sir, the past participle is a third form of verb. For example, write, wrote, written. In this case, written is the past form of past participle.
Oh, good, intelligent, impress. Girls, good girls, and boys. I would like to say there is no use of playing a violin at the back of the buffalo. Good. Go. Hey you Hitesh. You tell me that what is a grammar?
Sir, grammar is a collection of...
Collection of what?
Sir, it is a...
What? Not that is a.
Sir, it is a complete set of...
Why not incomplete set of?
Sir, grammar is an ability to impress.
Why not a disability to depress? Why not? What not? How not? So not? What not? Disappear. You know how hard speaking English is. Mind it. Mind it. You don't mind it.
Sir, doubt.
Don't shout in front of my back.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, how to translate this in English? पेपर उठाओ डस्टबिन में फेंको.
Simple. Very simple. पेपर उठाओ डस्टबिन में फेंको. Take the paper and fall in the dustbin.
Take the paper and fall in the dustbin. Thank you, sir. Doubt.
Don't shout in the front of my back.
सर, हाउ वी विल ट्रांसलेट मुझे कपड़ा सुखानी है, तुम सुखाओगे या मैं खुद सुखाऊं?
Good question. Tough question. You ask good question. Simple, very simple. Good one. Try. Your try is good. So it is, I want to hang the clothes. You hang or I will hang myself.
I want to hang the clothes. You hang or I will hang myself.
थैंक यू सर.
Sir, doubt.
One at a time.
Sir, we have a question. Have you went to America?
Well, no. But one day we all go to America.
We will go to America. We will go to America. We will go to America. We will go to America. We will go to America.
Thank you everyone for watching our skit. We hope we brought smiles and laughter to your day. On this special occasion of Children's Day, let's remember to keep the spirit of childhood alive in our hearts, filled with joy, curiosity, and kindness. A big thank you to our teachers and parents for their love and support. Happy Children's Day to all.